Hello, Breckenridge County High School's Principal Adam Cox here with you this week to give you an update of events that are going on here at the high school and what's coming up for the next couple of weeks. This is Wednesday, December the 18th. We are in the middle of taking our final exams here at the high school. Today, on Wednesday, we take periods for finals in periods first, third, fifth, and seventh. And tomorrow, we will complete our second 9 weeks and our first 9 weeks. Sorry, our second 9 weeks, our first semester, by our second round of finals, which will be periods 2, 4, and 6. We'll also conclude our day tomorrow with a Christmas pep rally, so we're looking forward to that. Have our band playing and some of our chorus members come down and some games and some activities for our students to add a little excitement before we close out this semester and enter into the holiday season. So look forward to tomorrow. Also, we just a reminder for all our community members that we will not be in school on Friday. It'll be a teacher-only day on Friday, so we will be starting our Christmas break then. And we will not have students back until January the 6th. We have a nice Christmas break here, and I want to wish everybody from Breckenridge County High School a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Just a reminder, we do have a couple things going on over the break. Our Fighting Tigers and Lady Tigers will be in action on Friday night against district rival Meade County. The Lady Tigers will be playing at 5:30, and our Fighting Tigers will play at 7 o'clock. Come on out for that game. It's going to be an exciting game. Our Lady Tigers are off to a great start as they are 6-0 on the season. And that is one win away from tying the best start in school history, which happened in 1991-92 season when the Lady Tigers start off 7-0. So really look forward to watching us perform tomorrow night. Also, our Fighting Tigers are 5-1 on the season, so they've gotten off to a great start as well. Our Lady Tigers will be in action again on Saturday as they will be playing in their own Christmas tournament called the Sicilian Bank Christmas Classic. We will be playing against Callaway County. That game will be at 7 o'clock that night. Then our Lady Tigers will then take off on December the 27th. They will leave for the Bourbon County tournament up near Lexington. And they'll be there for the 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. And our Fighting Tiger basketball team will leave on the 27th as they will be traveling down to Daytona Beach again. And they'll be playing down there prior to the new year. And then again, like I mentioned earlier, we'll be back here at school on January the 6th. We will then continue our basketball seasons then when we get back. Also, all students will be handing out some information about class schedules. We'll be starting working on schedules for the 2020-2021 school year when we return from Christmas break. So I will leave you just how we start every day here at the high school. Everyone work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.